Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be making not your basic baked beans, so bear with me as we get this going. Okay, so I have my oil heated up in my skillet here. I'll move this all around. And I have half an onion and 1 pepper that I'm going to add in here. And the important thing to keep in mind with all of our produce, we want to make sure that we wash it before we cook with it, because we're never sure where it's come from. So always washing all of the outside of our produce very, very well. And the recipe calls for 1 green pepper. I had an orange pepper on hand, so I thought it would go perfect in this. So we're gonna let these saute until they're completely tender. Okay, so the vegetables are all tender, and now I'm gonna go grab the beans. So I have 1 can of pinto beans. The recipe calls for vegetarian beans, but when I was at the grocery store, they did not have any. And pinto is a great way to do baked beans, and so in the can, you always wanna make sure that you are rinsing and draining them very well. And by doing that, you're actually going to get half that sodium out of that can. So canned beans are a great source, and they're an excellent source of alternative protein too. They have a great source of fiber, so they're going to fill you up more. Okay, so now I have my beans in here, and now I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of mustard, and then 2 teaspoons of ketchup. Okay. So if you're looking for a quick bean to make, if you're going to a party this summer, this is something great to have. Minimal ingredients, and the prep time is hardly anything to do. So all you're going to do is give this a nice good stir and let it simmer for a moment. Even with just this, you can tell the color is just really beautiful. And if you did a red onion in there, that would brighten it up even more. Okay, so this is a version of not your basic beans that is super easy and quick to prepare at home. I hope you guys are able to try this one. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everybody.